Hey, what's going on, everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thank you for checking into our YouTube channel. So today, real quick, we just want to show you these Tusk starters. If the starter on your ATV, UTV, or your dirt bike is starting to wear out, or maybe it's gone bad, these are a really good replacement. They're built really well. They have a 6-month manufacturer warranty, and they are a heck of a lot cheaper than replacing with an OEM starter. We have a great how-to video that shows you how to test a starter. If you're not quite sure, if you think yours might be going out, you can check that out. We do have some how-to videos on certain machines to get one of these installed, so be sure to refer to that as well. But like I said, for dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs, if your starter's going bad or it's already gone bad, you need to replace it. You just can't beat the price on these, and they're great quality. If you do have questions or comments, though, we would love to get those answers, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab one for your bike, ATV or UTV, click on the link, or just head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. When you're on the product page, just enter the year, make, and model, and that will ensure that you get the correct fitment. As always, orders over $75 ship free. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to stay up to date on the latest product spotlights like you just watched. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.